Yes, so hello guys, this is our delivery bay. What you can see here is called a rattan on wood trash bin. They're having them delivered today. So what is happening, we managed to have the panels woven just like this, and we have wooden borders. These are the wooden borders, but these things are made from mahogany timber. Then the owner requested they have to be matte standard. So this is how they look. These are very good for hotels, for the outer spaces. Yeah, so come along with me guys. Yes, sir. Yeah. Usiplace juu inaweza pata scratches. Yeah, so these are the trash bins. We are sending them over to the clients. Yeah, now these trash bins are ready for delivery. I'll walk you through where we are going to deliver them. Yeah, this one. Guys, we're almost alighting, so here is where we're going to deliver. Then they'll be shipped to Asaimara. Yeah, it's this one. So finally the delivery point.